Hello crazy coders, welcome to yet another Python turtle graphics tutorial. This is the third video of our series. Do check out the first two videos, and today we will make a multicolor star. And without further ado, let's get started. I've already created a file, multicolor star.py, and first thing is I'm gonna import turtle, and after importing turtle, and one more thing I will import, that is from time import sleep. We have used several times this sleep function, so there's no need to explain it again. And as usual, I will create an turtle, and how we create a turtle is very simple. Tu turtle dot turtle. Yeah, this will create a turtle for also window, but today we will use a customized screen rather than using the default. And to get a screen, we can use function in the turtle which is screen function. Simple. This will create a screen, and it actually gives more control over the screen. That is actually setting the width and height. And now I'm gonna set the width and height of the turtle screen, and for that I will use a variable in which we stored it. And then there is setup. Yes, setup, and we'll give 450 comma 350 as a width and height. Now let's run this file. So as you can see, it appeared and went off. So I will just call the sleep function here, and I will give 2 as the parameter, and it appeared and a turtle is available. That's great. Now instead of using a white default background, I will set a background as well, background color. For this we have to just use bg color, and we have to pass a color name. For this time I will pass black, and as you can see we have a black screen. Okay, now moving ahead, since we are using a multicolor, since we want to draw a multicolor star, we gonna create a list of colors. So I'm gonna just name it colors, and in this first I will keep red, and then I will keep green. After that I'll just list down some colors. Yeah, that looks great. Let me solve this syntax issues which are caused due to pep8. That's good. And now after creating this, I will actually increase the pen size a bit to make it, since we are drawing only one shape, that is a star, we want it to be like a very dark one. So this actually tells how dark our pen should be, that is turtle. And now as usual, we at the start of the program, the turtle will be at center, and we can actually alter the starting position as well using the goto function. And but in this video I will use an alias of goto, which is set pos, and I will give minus 90 as the value and 30. So this will go to the minus 90 and 30, which is x and y values in the beginning only. So now I will draw the color. Sorry, I will draw the star first, which for we can use a loop here, and we have 5. So this is a default way actually to draw a star. So I'll just code it, which is tp.forward, and in the forward we just pass 160. That's basically the size of side, and we know what forward does, so that's nothing to discuss. And also the right function, which actually helps us to rotate it, and in this I just pass 144. Okay, and if I run this file now, so as you can see, there's only the back screen we are getting, and we cannot see the turtle being drawn. So for that I will actually set the color as well in this one, which is we can set the pen color as with this function. And I will actually use the colors set, and just take the index as the loop, which is first it will be 0, then it's red, second one will be green, third side will be yellow, blue, fourth will be yellow, and fifth will be purple. So now if I run it, as you can see, we can clearly see the star, and we are able to draw a beautiful star with a multicolor. So the new functions we have learned is actually setting up the screen, and using custom screen, setting up the screen, setting the background color, setting the altering the color of the pen color, which is by default black. That's why we were unable to see in the beginning until we changed this color. And yeah, set pose is basically, as if I go to this, set pose is an alias to go to function, and we have different alias. Actually, forward we can use FD and back, so all that possible. And pen size, yeah, it actually controls the thickness. And yeah, that's it. And we have drawn the star with help of this loop. We can draw multiple things. We can also draw like a square maybe, but that will have only 4 sides, and it will okay, let's keep it 100 for a moment. And actually we know it only turns at 90 degrees. So now if I run, we will get a square, and yeah, it's also multicolor as well. We can also draw rectangle, and we can also draw any other shape. So that was it from this video. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in the next one.